after the handheld laser welding machine arrives. The first step is to install the gas. First, install the pressure gauge on the gas tank and tighten it. Then use a 10mm to 6mm adapter. The machine interface is 6mm and the gas tank is 10mm. After the 10mm port is connected to the gas tank, the 6mm pipe is connected to a blue interface at the bottom of the machine. Directly insert to complete the gas installation. When adding water to the water tank, pay attention to using pure water or distilled water. Do not use tap water. Open the water inlet on the machine. Pour in pure water. Note that the water must be added between the green and yellow lines on the scale. The green line reaches the top position. Install the wire feeder. Be careful not to unplug the welding wire before installation. Install it in order before removing the welding wire. Unscrew the welding wire fixing nut. Align it with the round hole on the welding wire and clamp it. Tighten the fixing nut. After removing the welding wire, cut off the bend in the front directly. Align the welding wire with the wire feeding tube on the wire feeder. You can see that the welding wire comes out of the slide rail. After passing the second one, go into the wire feeding tube. Fix the upper fixing cover with the welding wire. Pay attention to the adjustment of the welding wire pulley. There are two models of a pulley. The demo model has 1.6 and 1.2 pulleys. The welding wire is 1.2. When installing the pulley, 1.2 faces outwards. The pulley number of the wire of the installed model should face outwards. The wire feeding tube interface passes through the hole in front of the wire feeder and aligns it with the wire feeding track. Tighten the side screws after installation. That's it. Next, install the wire feeder power cord and control system cord. The power cord and control system cord come directly from the main unit. Two cords, one with 2 holes and one with 3 holes. Just be careful to distinguish them. Plug them directly into the wire feeder and tighten the screws on the interface. The entire wire feeder is installed. After the wire feeder power is connected, pick up the wire feeder tube. Press the wire feed button on the wire feeder. Let the welding wire be sent to the gun head. It will take a while. Please wait patiently. After the wire feeding is completed, first unscrew the 2 screws on the wire feeder tube. Take off the gasket. Then insert the wire feeder tube through the interface below the gun head. Put back the gasket and screw that you just unscrewed. Tighten the screw with a wrench. After tightening, put the wire feeder tube on the head cover of the wire tube. Then the metal tube of the wire feeding accessories after feeding the wire. Install it at the wire feeding outlet. After installation, adjust the length position. Put it on the welding gun mouth and tighten the screw to fix it. This is a household 220V socket. There are letters on the power cord: red, live wire; green, neutral wire; yellow, ground wire. Connect to the corresponding position according to the color to complete. After installing everything, look at the scale on the gun head. Adjust the scale to between 0 and -5. This way the focal length is the most accurate value. Tighten the connecting nut behind the gun head. Aim the gun nozzle downwards. Test whether the red dot of the welding gun laser is in the center of the welding wire. If not, adjust the position